Today, I'll walk you through how to use Snapchat's portrait mode, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create stunning portraits with a beautiful blur effect, so you can elevate your Snapchat game and impress your friends. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you have it ready on your device. Once you're on the camera screen, look to the top left corner for the search icon. This icon is your gateway to discovering new filters and features. Think of it as a treasure map leading you to the hidden gems of Snapchat. Now click on that search icon. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates frequently, and that's totally normal. Next, in the search bar, type the word focus. This will help you find the portrait mode filter that you need. As you type, you might see suggestions pop up. Just keep typing until you see focus appear in the results. Once you see the focus filter, go ahead and click on it. This filter is designed to create that lovely depth of field effect, blurring the background while keeping your subject sharp and clear. It's like having your own professional camera right in your pocket. Now that you have the focus filter activated, you can adjust the blur effect based on your preference. Slide your finger across the screen to increase or decrease the blur until you achieve the look you want. This is your chance to get creative. Think of it as adjusting the focus on a camera lens to get the perfect shot. And there you have it. You've successfully used Snapchat's portrait mode to create stunning images. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different subjects and settings. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.